विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्तस्वामिन् इति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वतीदेवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्याधीशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरा भक्तवृंद जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरा भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 जय जय राधारमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधारमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधारमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधारमण हरि गोविंद जय जय हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधारमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधारमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधारमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधारमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधारमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधारमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधारमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधारमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधारमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधारमण हरि गोविंद जय जय हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare. Jaya Radha Govinda Radhe, Jaya Radha Govinda Radhe, Jaya Krishna Balaram, Jaya Krishna Balaram, Krishna Balaram, Jaya Krishna Balaram, Jaya Gauranita, 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 Jaya Gauranita, Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Jaya Gurudev, 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 Jaya Jaya Gurudev. जय ओम इष्टपाद परमहंस परिव्राजक स्तोत्र शतस्य अभय चरणारद भक्तिदान स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय. जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजक स्तोत्र शतस्य भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर महाराज प्रभुपाद की जय. वैराग्य मूर्ति श्रील गौर किशोर दास बाबा जी महाराज प्रभुपाद की जय. सच्चिदानंद श्रील भक्तिनोद ठाकुर महाराज प्रभुपाद की जय. वैष्णव सार्वभौम श्रील जगन्नाथ दास बाबा जी महाराज प्रभुपाद की जय. श्री रूप सनातन रघुनाथ दास रघुनाथ भट्ट श्रीजीव गोपाल भट्ट षड्गोस्वाम प्रभुपाद नामाचार्य श्रील हरिदास ठाकुर की जय. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा. Welcome to my channel Sri Golokavani. So we are part of Sri Gopal Bhatta Goswami Educational Center. We are part of ISKCON Tiruvallur. So today we will be discussing on certain topics of general interest. People are nowadays are interested in various topics. So actually the topic should be on our own self-realization. There are thousands of topics one can hear. Shrotra Vyadani Rajendra Nranam Santi Sahasrasaha Apashyatam Atma Tattva Graheshu Grahamedina. So for the Grahamedis there are thousands of topics. But for Grahastas, ISKCON followers, Vaishnavas, the Grahastas, or those who are in the Grahastas, they are also engaging in Krishna service. But for Grahamadis, they don't engage in Krishna service. So for them, there is thousands of thousands of topics is there for them. Apashyatam Atmatate Gruheshu Grahamedinam. So they are not interested in self-realization, but they are interested in economic development or in developing infrastructure development or property acquisition or increasing the bank balance or getting married, the wife, luxurious life. There are people who want to live a luxurious life out of the suffering. They don't bother about the sufferings of others, but they want to live a luxurious life. They're irresponsible, luxurious, lavish life they want to live at the cost of others' suffering. There are people who kill many animals. There are people who kill cows. There are people who kill so many things. They kill their own children. Abortion is happening. So many topics are there in this world. So many things are there. Is going. That there is no religious. There is no duty. There is no dharma. Duty. There is a duty for everyone. People are not performing their duty. They are doing everything as a business. They want only economic development, but they are not interested. People are not interested in dharma, religion, but they are interested in economic development and fulfillment of desires, artha kama. So they are not interested in moksha, liberation, and they are not interested in dharma also. People are gradually losing interest in religion, and they are thinking adharma is itself, is their duty. Religious things is cheating, gambling, intoxication, illicit sex. All these things are considered to be religious activities. Nowadays, people are performing all kinds of religious activities, gambling. So many sports are there. Gambling is there. Sports, crickets, or so many things. Sports is there, is becoming a gambling nowadays. Instead of enjoying it as a sports, as a rivalry, or as a courageous or a brave activities, they are making it as a commercial activities. So many sponsors for the films, so many sponsors for these kinds of sports. They are doing gambling. There is a gambling, there is a meat eating, a slaughter of animals. Thousands of animals are slaughtered every day. In the mechanized slaughterhouses are there. So animals are slaughtered, meat eating, gambling, then intoxication. They are into drugs and opium or smoking, liquor, consumption of alcohol, varieties of alcohol, and then intoxication, illicit sex, unlawful marriage, extramarital affairs, premarital or extramarital affairs. So many things are there. Meat eating, gambling, intoxication, illicit sex. These are things are happening in Kali Yuga. These are irreligious activities. People are performing these irreligious activities as if this is a religious activities. So this is a problem in this world now. So I have created a various books which are lectures of my own lectures. These are all my own lectures. We have transcribed it and we have made it into a book. My books are Secret to Success in Tamil, English, Rule of Saintly Kings in English, Brahman Gyan and Tantra Gyan. These are our book. Brahma Gyan and Tantra Gyan in English, Secret to Success in Tamil, Rule of Saintly Kings in English, Secret to Success in English. Oh, this is Tamil. Okay. Secret to Success in English also we have. Secret to Success in Tamil also we have. Brahma Gyan, Tantra Gyan book we have. Rule of Saintly Kings we have. So these are the 4 books we have published as of now. These are all just a transcription of my lectures, which we have uploaded in YouTube. We have brought this into as a book format. So I request all of you to encourage us in this publishing of books. So these books are based on teachings of His Divine Bhaktivinoda Swami Srila Prabhupada and my own realizations, Sadhu Shastra Guru. So through these things we have compiled this. We have just created this book. So we'll try to understand this one book, Brahma Gyan, Tantra Gyan now. So Brahma Gyan, Tantra Gyan, what is the title? Brahma means that which is eternal, it is never ending. Brahman. Brahman is, there is no change, it is always existing. Brahman is truth, Brahman is eternal, Brahman is knowledgeable, and Ananda, Satchidananda. Brahman means it is Satchidananda. The qualities of Brahman is Satchidananda. The quality of non-Brahman is temporary. Everything is temporary and illusory, ignorance, distress. These are the qualities of the things which are not Brahman. The things which are Brahman is eternal Sat, eternal Satchit Ananda, Satchidananda, eternal happiness and knowledge. So these 3 things are there. The nature of the soul is Satchidananda. The Brahman, we are all tiny sparks in the big fire. There's a sunshine is there. In that sunshine, in the window, if you see, there's a sunshine comes into the house, and there is a sun particles. You can see the small particles in the sunshine, sun rays. So sun planet is there, sun god is there, sun rays is there. So Brahman is like sun rays, unlimited effulgence. Brahman effulgence is unlimited, sun rays is unlimited. Entire universe, sun rays is spreading. It's a sun rays, sun planet, sun god. So from sun planet, sun rays comes. So through sun god, the heat, fire, light, everything comes from the sun god through the sun planet to us. Similarly, from the body of Lord Krishna's body, sun Brahman effulgence comes. So we're all just a spark. We're Brahman. We are also Brahman. We're a spark. We're part of Lord Krishna's body, because Brahman effulgence comes from the Lord Krishna's body. So there are knowledge part also comes from Paramatma, and then Ananda, happiness comes from Lord Krishna. Is a Parabrahman. We are all tiny Brahman. Lord Krishna is a Parabrahman. We are all Anu Atma. Lord Krishna is Vibhu Atma, Paramatma. So this Brahman is permanent. So anything, knowledge about Brahman is called Brahmagyan. Knowledge about Brahman. So if we realize that we are Brahman, we will not lament for anything, or we will not anchor after anything. Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma na socheti na kankshati. The person who has realized that he himself is Brahman, he will not lament for anything, he will not hanker after anything. So we see nowadays, so many things, so many deaths are happening, so many people are suffering from various kinds of diseases, so many people are suffering from various kinds of poverty-stricken condition, physical handicap, physically challenged people are there. They're deaf, dumb, blind, handicapped. They don't have limbs, they don't have hands, they don't have fingers, they don't have legs, or they don't have everything. So many things, so many organs, the defective organs, deformed body, deformities is there. So many deformities in the body. And financial difficulties, and poverty-stricken condition, ugly looking, if you poor, unintelligent, ugly. So many things are there. So the person who is realized that he is Brahman, he will not lament for the body. He will not lament for the dead person. He will not lament for the living person also. Nowadays, we feel compassion about the people who are suffering because of some disease, because of some poverty, because of some illiteracy. So we see so many people are suffering because of various reasons. So Brahman, on the Brahman platform, there is no suffering. On the bodily platform, there is a suffering. On the bodily platform, there is a distinction. There is a differences. But on the spiritual platform, there is no differences. All are equally powerful. All are equally eternal. All are eternal. All are knowledgeable. All are happiness. But on the material platform, on the bodily platform, on the this material platform, non-Brahman platform, on the non-Brahman platform, we lament, we hanker, we suffer, we remain in ignorance, we are temporary, everything is temporary in the material world. So Brahman is permanent, whereas this Brahman, which is not Brahman, that is earth, ether, air, water, fire, mind, intelligence and ego, these are all material things, subtle body, material body. So subtle body is mind, intelligence and ego, and gross body is this body, physical body which we have. Gross body is made up of earth, water, ether, air, fire. Mind, intelligence, ego is a subtle body. So Brahman is eternal, it is knowledgeable, it is happiness. This body is temporary. Nowadays people are running behind technology, tantra. Tantra means somehow they manipulate these material elements and they create wonders. They create airplane, they create machines, so many machines, they are robotic machines they are created nowadays. So many machines are being created, so many cars, aeroplanes or ship, train, so buses, so many vehicles are created every day. So they manipulate, they by various combination, various permutations, various mechanical process, they create machines. Technologically we are very advanced now. So siddhis, there are siddhas, mystical yogis, they attain perfection. By their perfection they can become smaller than the atom, then they become very small and they can become very big also. They can create planet, they can destroy the planet, they can create many things, wonderful things they can create. The mystical siddhis, the yogis, certain yogis, they by perfection, by material perfection, by yogic perfection, they can create material wonders. They can create maybe they can create a big they can create a planet also. They can create big machines. They may create a big machines, or they may create a big community or city, or one flying city also is possible. In those days there were flying cities, flying mountains, but nowadays we cannot see this. But we are seeing the airplane, which is a small town, maybe 300 people they can travel in a plane. So it's a small village, it's like a small village is flying, 300 people. It's nice to see. So material perfection, material success, material advancement. Materially people are nowadays materially advanced. They are communicating faster, they travel very fast. We can communicate within a second to America. It is very far, 20,000 kilometers. We can communicate through the email, we can communicate through the phone, WhatsApp. We have WhatsApp now, we can communicate faster. America also we can communicate through WhatsApp, through the phones, through email. We can contact very fast, quick communication. And then we have traveling also. We can go within 20 hours, we can travel to America. Those days Prabhupada, it took 30 days for Prabhupada to travel from Kolkata to Boston Harbor. It took 30 days of travel through the to the ocean, through the ship, to cargo ship. It took 30 days for Prabhupada to travel through the cargo ship from Calcutta to Boston Harbor, New York, America, North America. But now we can travel within a day. Within one day we can travel to America. Such is of advancement. Technologically we are advanced now. So Tantrika, that is called Tantra Gyan, technological advancement. So in spite of our technological advancement, we have the four things which we cannot able to solve. The four problems we unable to solve. We have solved many problems. We are communicating faster, we are traveling faster, so many things are happening, but we cannot solve our four primary problems. Our four primary problems or remains unsolved till date, it will remain so in the future also. We cannot solve these problems through our technological advancement. By a technological advancement, we cannot solve our problems. What are our problems? Disease, death, old age, birth. These are all our problems. Old age, disease, death, birth. Old age, you cannot stop the old age. You cannot stop disease also. You cannot stop birth. You cannot stop death. These four problems will always existing. It will continue to exist no matter whatever advancement we make, material advancement we make. By the process of material advancement, we may get some comforts, we may enjoy the luxurious comforts. There's a luxury in travel also. Very quickly we are communicating, very fastly we are traveling, some luxurious life we are living. We are cooking fast also through LPG gas. We are cooking very fast through LPG gas, microwave, oven, and so many things we are cooking very fast. So everything is all material facilities we are getting, and idle time we are utilizing in sports, gambling, meat eating, intoxication, illicit sex, watching all ordinary movies, ordinary stories. So like that we are spending our time. Technological advancement we have made it, but spiritually we are blind. We are accumulating money through the technological advancement. We are accumulating money, but spiritually we are very poor. Spiritually we are very blind. We don't have proper knowledge about our own self. Atma Tattva. We don't have any knowledge about our own self, the truth of ourself. What is the truth of me? We have knowledge about many things, but what is my truth? The truth about me. I change body, I get disease, I die, I take birth, I change bodies. So what is myself? What is me? So this is what this book is all about, Brahma Gyan, Tantra Gyan. We are trying to understand the importance of Brahman Gyan. We should read Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, Vedic literature. We should read these books. We should read Bhagavad Gita. We should read Bhagavatam. We will understand many things in this. Srila Prabhupada is always is telling us that we should not be too much concerned about technological advancement. We should utilize the technology in the service of Krishna, but we should remain simple, humble life, simple life. But we should have high thinking. We should have simple life, high thinking. We should not make the life complicated with various machines and so many sophisticated machines, so many complicated lifestyle. You see, for creating vehicles we need thousands of parts, but then thousands of parts means then thousands of industries, then we have to spend our manpower upon that, and then we are finding shortage of foodstuffs, we are finding shortage of food grains, many things we are finding shortage. We are not focusing on these things. We are focusing on technological advancement. We are focusing on mechanical advancement. We are focusing on machines. We are not focusing on producing our essentials. Pure water. We need pure water. We need pure air. We need pure clean surroundings, so that we don't get disease. The impure surroundings is causing us disease. Impure water is causing us disease. Impure air also is causing us disease. Impure air, impure water, impure surroundings. So we should try to understand about ourselves, and we act according to that. We are falsely identifying ourselves as this body, and we want to maintain this body as if we are going to live permanently in this body. This body is just like a small apartment has been given because of our past activities. If we are living comfortable, luxuriously, happy, beautiful life, beautiful body, and lot of riches, high education because of our past good activities. If we do good activities, we enjoy in this life. If we do bad, wrong activities, we suffer in this life. We do good things in the past, we suffer, we enjoy today. We did bad things in the past, we suffer today. So this is our karma. Today we do good things, tomorrow we'll enjoy. Today we do bad things, tomorrow we'll suffer. So education today, if you give education to a child, tomorrow he will be a good citizen. If you don't give education to a child, then he will be a spoiled child. So Krishna is considered to be unlimited. So the happiness we derive by serving Krishna is also unlimited. The knowledge we get through serving Krishna, that is also Krishna is unlimited. So knowledge about Krishna is unlimited. Happiness we get through serving Krishna is also unlimited. Whereas this material world is, we are just achieving the achieved. Punas charvita charvanana. The material world, we are just achieving the achieved. Nowadays so many people are after watching movies. What is there in the movie? The same thing, the old story, romantic love story. Today also the same romantic love story is there. Hero, heroine, villain, comedian, like that. The same story today also is being spoken, but the keeps changing. Relationships keeps on changing, but the spiritual thing, relationship does not change. The spiritual life, spiritual world, relationship does not change. The same person will come again as a father, again as a mother, again as a husband or wife, again as a son. The relationship will always continues in the spiritual world. Lord Krishna's son is Brahma. Lord Krishna's sister is Subhadra. Lord Krishna's topmost devotee is Lord Shiva. Lord Krishna's expansion is Balram. Is servitor of Lord Krishna, Adi Guru. Balram is Adi Guru. So we get little bit of happiness in this world through our wealth, through our wife, or through children. We get only little bit of happiness. These are all temporary. They will leave us or we will leave them. So just a little bit of drop of water in desert, this will not quench our thirst. No, there is a drop of water in a desert. What is the use of that? There is no use of that. So similarly, the happiness which we get in this material world is just like a drop of water. When we are thirsty, we want to drink liters of water. Just a small drop of water, this will not satisfy our thirst. When we are thirsty, we need liters of water. What is the use of drop of water? So this material world, what the happiness we get is like just a drop of water. So we get only little bit of happiness, just like we are always suffering, and sometimes there is little bit of happiness. No, it's like there was we have heard story that those days when the king wants to punish, he will take the criminal in the water, in a river or a lake, whatever it may be. So they will dump, they will merge it. So they will put him in water for a while, and just they will relax, they will relieve him from the water for a while, so that he can breathe. So they will they will submerge in water. The criminal is submerged in water for a while. Then later on he is relieved, is removed out of that water for a while, then so that he can breathe. Once because if he does not breathe, he will die. So they will just give him a little bit time for breathing. So that is a punishment. Similarly, we are suffering always. Sometimes we just opportunity for enjoyment. Some kind of enjoyment we have. Maybe good food we get, good family festival, some festival we enjoy. But for enjoying this happiness, we have to work like a donkey. People work like donkeys. People work like ass for little bit of happiness. We need ananda, we need happiness, but we are getting only distress. Everywhere there's a distress. There's always a plunderers. People are always, the relatives are plundering our wealth. The relatives are, the government is plundering, and the people are plundering, friends, relatives, everybody will plunder your wealth if you have wealth. If you don't have wealth, nobody cares for you. If you have wealth, all the relatives will come to you, all the friends will come, all the neighbors or guests, everybody will come when you have wealth. When we don't have wealth, no one cares. So the happiness you get in this world is temporary, illusory. After you sacrifice so much for accumulating those wealth, you may have to sacrifice so much for accumulating wealth. So much difficulty we accumulate wealth. Accumulating wealth is not easy. Money will not come to you simply. You have to work for the money hard, like work hard. So many people are become billionaires, millionaires. It's not easy. They have worked hard in their field. So in that way they accumulated money. So without money you cannot get married. You cannot get a wife also. You'll not be able to marry also. Marriage life means you should have proper source of income so that you can lead a happy married life. To maintain the prestige, you should have proper wealth, proper business, career, business or job, without which you cannot sustain yourself. Then how you can maintain your own wife, children? So we work hard for satisfying our family members. One works hard for satisfying his wife, his children, his family members, his friends, his boss, his relatives, his neighbors, his countrymen, so his community men. Is like that. It is always increasing. It's like that. Our selfishness is expanding. First is me and my family members, then my community members, my nation. In this way the selfishness expands. So this is another point is the people nowadays they're spending money on gambling, on intoxication, illicit sex, meat eating. They're spending a lot of money on these things, which is giving them suffering. It is causing them death also. What happens if somebody is intoxicated? What happens? He will die sorely because of some disease, some deformities in the body, some failure of the organs, maybe kidney failure, lung failure, heart attack. So many problems are coming nowadays. So by intoxication, one will suffer from jaundice or any disease, any lung failure, organ failure. Intoxication, illicit sex also, some disease will come. Surely you will get sexually transmitted diseases he will get if he is in illicit sex. Intoxication, gambling, you will lose all money. Dharmaraj